Hi, welcome to Tech Tips. We'll see how to mirror iPhone or iPad screen to any Android TVs. Let's get started. Now open the Google Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Air Screen. AIRSCREEN. Now install the app which is on the first. This one, I have already installed it. Let me open it. Make sure both devices are in the same Wi-Fi network. Let's press start and start the connections. I'm using my iPad. So let's go to the AdPlay option and select our TV ID and make sure that mirroring is on. Now let's take a look at the TV. It says processing client requests. Here we go. We have our iPad screen on our Android TV. Guys, this is a very easy way to mirror iPad screen to TVs. Now let me show you the iPhone screen mirroring. Let's press the start and enable the connections. The connections are enabled. Now let's go to the iPhone and go to the control center. I'm using an iPhone 6s. Select the TV ID and let's go to the TV. It again says processing client requests. Now we can see the iPhone screen is mirroring on the TV. Guys, this is a very easy and the best method to mirror iPhone screen to TVs. Other apps have many in-app purchases that doesn't allow you to mirror. If this mirroring doesn't happen, your Wi-Fi network must be low and it doesn't support mirroring. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon, like and share this video.